Welcome to my video. My name is Harshil Dete. I am from second year BTech Computer Science and Engineering specialization in AI. My register number is ULK19 CS 2001. This is Data Structure and Algorithm Lab. This is the experiment number 2. So the experiment is of Q. So here is the program. Here are the header files. Here I have taken a structure, the struct node, and inside the structure it has data, and the struct node is pointer has next. Below that, the struct node pointer of front means where we can we can insert, and we can see the inserting, that is front equal to null, that is -1. Here it is the rare. So from rare end we are inserting the elements, that is -1, that is it means null. So here I have taken a function void display void enq void eq. So in main program, so in main, in 10 here we can choose the number. It has choice. So in do while loop, printf, here are the four choices: add, remove, display, and exit. Here we can select the choice. In switch case, in case 1, here we can enter the number, that is NQ. In case 2, here is DQ, means delete the number. In case 3, display the number, and 4, here the while case is closed, means here exit, here we can exit. So in void enq, it has inside the parameter int item. So struct node of n pointer, that is malloc, where we can allocate the memory of the struct node. So n pointer is pointing to data, that is item, means where we are entering the number. So that n pointer is pointing to next, that is null, means where we can insert from the rare end. So and if the condition is rare equal to null, means if rare is null, it will insert the rare insert from the rare element to the front. So front equal to nptr, rare equal to nptr, or else if if the queue is full, so it will show rare of next equal to n pointer, means this n pointer is null. Or so rare equal to rare plus next, it will add one by one the elements. So in the next function void display, this has pointer of temp, so temp equal to front, so it will display from the front to rare to fronts, where temp is not equal to null. It will display the data which is in the front to rare. So temp pointing to data, and temp is equal to temp plus next, means if the first element is here, it will show second element, after that third, after that fourth. So in third, void dq, in void dq, if front equal to null, means if we have to pop out the elements. So front equal to null, if the front point is nulls, it will display queue is empty, or we have to delete in else part. So it will go, the temp will go into front, the front where the element is there, it will take that element in temp pointing to data, then it will free the memory where the first element of the queue it will delete, and the next number that will go in front. So this is the program. Here I am running the program now. So this is the output screen. Here are the four choices: add, remove, display, and exit. So I am choosing the first choice, that is one, add. Enter the number. I am entering 45. again adding one element, 55, again adding. So here are the elements, three elements. Now I'm displaying it. So it is inserting from last to first. So I have entered 45, then it will go here and go in line 45, 55, 85. So again I am adding the element, displaying that. So 45 is here, 55 is here, 85, 90. It is going from last to first. So I am removing the first element. See, the 45 is deleted. Again I am displaying. So 45 is deleted. The memory is free. Here is 55, 85 and 90. So again I am adding the element, displaying it. So the first element which is deleted, that is 45, and again I have added that element that has gone in the rear end, which is this is 75, and which the element was deleted, the last element has gone at the first, that is 55. So this is the output of the program. Here is for twice exit. So this is the program of Q.